Cut flower netting technique. Introduction. Cut flower netting refers to the use of nets, bamboo poles, and other materials to secure cut flowers, ensuring that the stems remain straight and do not bend or collapse. For example, when cultivating carnations and chrysanthemums, for cut flowers, a nylon grate with a match size of 10 cm multiplied 10 cm is commonly used as a support. These supports are laid out on the cultivation beds at the time of planting and are tensioned around wooden sticks or bamboo poles. As the plants grow taller, gradually shift the supporter upwards. A typical mesh support requires laying out 2 to 3 layers. At the time of planting, all layers are stacked together and then progressively pulled upwards. The first layer should be positioned 15 to 20 centimeters above the ground, with the spacing between the layers generally around 15 centimeters. Classroom content. Teacher, let's take the cut chrysanthemum and carnation as examples to understand the netting operation techniques. Method and steps. First, cut chrysanthemum. Cut chrysanthemum. The plants are tall, reaching over 1 meter in height. To ensure the chrysanthemum plants grow upright, with each plant occupying consistent space and the branches distributed neatly and evenly to prevent titling, as well as to guard against being knocked over or broken by typhoons and heavy rain. Tidy measures should be taken. Generally, a method called staking and netting is used. This involves erecting poles around the bed to serve as the fixed network. The height of the poles above ground is 1 meter. The net is made of nylon rope with mesh openings of 20 centimeters square. Alternatively, one can purchase this from professional horticultural supply vendors. When the chrysanthemum plants reach about 30 centimeters in height, the net is stretched and fixed to the poles at a height close to the top of the plants. As the plants grow taller, they naturally pass through the mesh openings. If any branches are unevenly distributed, they can be manually adjusted in a timely manner. Subsequently, as the chrysanthemum plants continue to grow, the height of the net is adjusted accordingly. Second, carnation. Carnation, after planting, young seedlings are prone to falling over, and as lateral branches begin to grow, the entire plant cluster spreads out. Therefore, it is important to set up the net early to allow the stems to develop straight and normally. Typically, a nylon rope woven grate is used, with a grate size corresponding to the spacing of the planted seedlings. This ensures that each plant is within an appropriate grate, preventing it from falling over. The first layer of the grate is about 15 centimeters above the ground. As the plants grow, the grate must be gradually raised, and the stems should be frequently guided into the grate. Generally, the number of layers can be increased to 4 to 5, with a spacing between layers of about 20 centimeters. Maintaining the straight growth of the stems, fertilization and water management will affect the quality of cultivation. Summary. Teacher, stretching the net for cut flowers is also an important step. In cultivation management, it can effectively prevent falling over and ensure cut flowers to develop straight and normally.